Hi friends, now we are in Hyderabad, Sri Ramanujan statue. See the view of the Ramanujan statue. It is the biggest statue. Just now we completed darshan of 108 temples. After that we saw the water show and laser show. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See the view of the temple again once again. Now laser shot.